Kaya challenge dito ni James, sabi niya, you claim that you are wise, then ito po, let him show his works in the meekness of wisdom. At yung meekness naman po, hindi ito weakness. Minsan ang tingin natin, ay meek ito, meek. Meron siyang meekness, pero naidudugtong natin or napipicture natin siya na parang weak ata ang meek. No. Ang meek, it is not weakness, but it is controlled strength, controlled power under God's authority. Controlled power po siya. Okay? May power tayo, may authority tayo, pero hindi natin gagamitin yun to abuse the people around us. Malakas ako, matapang ako. Ako ang padre de pamilya. Lahat kayo, walang magsasalita kapag ako na ang nagplano. Susunod lang kayo. Kung saan ang gusto ko, karay-karay ko kayo. Kung saan ko kayo iniwan, dun ko kayo dadatnan. Hindi ho po pwedeng ganoon. You have the power, you have the strength, but it is controlled.